Alrighty, there we go. It's clocking now.
There you go.
Okay. Don,
Yeah.
Jake,
Yeah, let's high five.
we did it.
We did it.
We did it. All right.
Oh, yeah. Ooh, nice. This is a goat trail. What's it calling up there getting sideways? I got a winch.
If this is challenging for him, I'm screwed.
Now this way.
Woohoo!
Up to your left some more. Now straighten out. There you go. Just make it look easy. Hey guys, Jake here. It is a hot one. It's 22 degrees, but in the cab it's probably 30. Holy. So, just waiting my turn on the bypass, but we're having fun. Everything's going good. Hi guys, we're at the top of Red Mountain. Ripped my mirror off. Not on any branches or anything. I just reached to pull it in so I wouldn't hit any branches, and it ripped right off. And then just before reaching the summit here, I had some heating issues. But we're at the top now. Pretty cool. Nice cool wind. It's kind of died down right now, but when it blows, she really blows. Hello, Bellakino.
I can come through this with no doors on? No, I'm not on that. Where is this music, man?
Don, you okay? Oh, that's easy. Yeah, we can do that. That's good.
Got lots of water too.
I got lots of water. I got Mountain Dew. Hey guys, Jake here. It is 9:45 in the morning and we're just ready to head out from camp. Last night we did not get out of the trail, so we slept on the trail and had a good night's sleep. Had a nice big breakfast this morning, and you can see my pillow in the back there. It's quite comfortable actually. So we're just getting ready to head out. We got another 9 kilometers as the crow flies to exit the trail. And we're told that there's another probably 3 river crossings, so not really looking forward to that because the water was kind of deep in the last one. But anyhow, everything's good so far. We have ourselves a situation. It's 3:30 in the afternoon. Winching through the mud hole. Oh, it's one out. Well, as you can probably hear, Colin's cutting some stumps that are possibly going to give us some trouble. So this morning we've covered 2 kilometers. We got about 7 more to go to get out of this trail. So it's about 11 o'clock, I think. So it's going to be a long day. Long day yesterday. Probably not much better. We had several water crossings. One of them was actually up to halfway through her headlight there, so I want to get out of here today. Well, we made it back to civilization. You can see some trucks, and this is where we're planning on camping actually. There's a few people up here with tents, and but we never made it here. We were actually a good 5 hours away. We thought we were going to end up here last night, but stayed on the trail last night, and took us 5 hours to get out. We're just going to have supper here. It's about 5 o'clock, so just got the gear out. I'm gonna have some pork and rice, celebrate, and we're having a cider because that was a challenge. We had some quite a few obstacles to overcome, and nobody panicked. We had some pretty dangerous water crossing at one point. It was almost up over the hood, so and nobody had snorkels, so that was that would never be a good thing. But we were all linked up to each other trying to cross the river, and we had to winch from onto each other and stuff to get out, but we did it. So we're just having supper, cleaning up the winch cables, and having a celebratory drink, and then finish supper and head home. Anyhow, that's the end of the adventure from today. This was the scouting trip for Crescent Falls, and we never actually got to scout any of the Crescent Falls stuff, so don't know when we'll get to that, but that's it for today. Everybody's safe. We're gonna head home. Bye for now.
Done. Jake,
Yeah, let's high five.
we did it. We did it. All right. Right? We've seen everything. Treacherous river crossings. We've seen mud holes like you wouldn't believe. We've all got scars. We've got a couple broken winch cables, but we are still running. Right? And we're able to drive out of here. Right? Like I said, that was a challenge.
That was brutal.
You can't beat it, right? And we got through because what? Our
We had a good team leader.
right? And we had know what? But
And great
no,
team followers.
nobody got extremely worried. Everybody kept their head.
Yep.
We kept our humor. Right?
We had fun.
We had fun. It was a blast.
It was stressful at times.
Right? It was an awesome trip. Right? I loved it.
I love it now.
Loved it now that we're done? Yeah. Absolutely. Oh yeah, and 4 pairs of socks, 2 pairs of pants, and a pair of underwear. You want to see my feet? They probably look like flipper feet now. Okay. Anyways, awesome weekend.
Awesome weekend.
Now let's go home.